today we will do about social structure, definition and features. Tomorrow I'll do the AGIL model of. Tomorrow I'll do the AGIL model by Talcott Parsons. Okay. Before we look into social structure, which is based closely related to social system, let us try to understand the concept of structure. So first we need to understand the concept of what is structure. Okay. Structure means different parts that are linked to each other, orderly arrangements of parts which lead to formation of structure. So what are they saying? Structure means different parts. These different parts are connected to each other. They function together. Functionally, they do their functions together. Okay, and that is how it is called as structure. For example, house is a physical structure which is made of an orderly arrangement of brick, sand, grit, cement, doors, windows, etc. So what they are saying, let us take a physical structure of a house. So a house is a structure. How is house made? With bricks, with cement, with water, there are windows, there are doors. That's how it is made, and how it is, it's arranged in a proper order. Similarly, any structure, for it to exist, for it to live, it has to have proper orderly arrangement. Orderly arrangement એટલે કે proper arrangement થવું જોઈએ, proper order માં. એવું ન થાય. Obviously if you are building a house, અગર નીચે હું ડોર રાખું તો કેવી રીતના ચાલે? નહીં ને. First there has to be some structure, then there has to be a door, then there has to be another structure, then there has to be small windows, like that. Okay, orderly arrangement. Similarly, an arrangement of classroom, staff room, laboratory, library, office, prayer room, etc. leads to the formation of structure called school or college. Which place do you call school or college? Which has classroom, there is staff room, there is laboratory, there is library, there is office. Okay, and that is how a structure called school or college is formed. According to Robert Merton, social structure means aggregation of status, roles and norms. Okay, now we will talk about what is social structure. Social structure means aggregation. Aggregation is total of the status, role and norms. Norms are what? Your rules and regulations. Vidyut Joshi says, individual holds status in the society. So according to Vidyut Joshi, every person in the society holds a particular status, holds a particular position, and accordingly plays the role. And according to their status, they play a role. I am a teacher, I play the role of a teacher. You are a student, you play the role of a student. So according to your status, you play the role. The role is played in certain relation and certain situation. So in certain relation, in certain situation, you play that particular role. For example, I play the role of a teacher when I am at school. When I come home, I play the role of a daughter. Okay, so it changes. Thus, role prepare a systematic network of social relations which is known as social structure. Now, because of these roles that you have, you form certain relations to people. For example, I am a teacher. When I come to school, I form my relations to the students. Similarly, that's how relations are formed, that's how connections are formed, and that is how social structure happens. Therefore, social structure is an abstract construct. Abstract, what is abstract? Something which you can't see but it is there. Okay, for example, air. Air is something you can't see, it's still there, right? So, social structure is something which is an abstract concept. It's something you can't see but it is still there. Its unit includes group, institutions, organizations, associations. So what are they saying? That what all things are included in it? Units are included, groups are included, institutions એટલે school, colleges, all these things, political organization, religious organizations, associations. In each society, there are various institutional methods to link individuals with each other. So what they are saying, that in the society, we are all linked to each other through different ways, through different methods. Okay, through different institutional methods, we are linked together. When individual links with each other, their social status, they transform into a social structure. So what they are saying, when we form links, when we form connections with one another around us, a particular social structure is formed. For example, family is a social structure in which there is a relation between father, mother, husband, wife, son, daughter, and it's arranged systematically. It's properly arranged, right? Like I have certain relations to the people with whom I'm living in a house. Similarly, a rural community એટલે village community માં a structure which includes different caste and subcaste. So if you go to a village, you will find that people belong to different caste, people belong to different subcaste. Okay, મારો caste શું છે? ક્ષત્રિય. મારો subcaste શું થશે? ગોહિલ. So that is how it is. Now moving on to the features of social